Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use scan and pay on Capitec. It's very easy guys, so you can pay anywhere you see a MasterPass, SnapScan, or a Zaper QR code, and even at checkout when you're shopping online. So you just open up the app and you scan the QR code, or you can enter the numeric code as well, and then just enter the amount, okay? And if you have more than one card, you need to choose which one you want to use. Then what you need to do is enter your bank card PIN to basically authorize the payment. Sometimes they might even ask you to enter your CVV number. This is usually found on the back of your card. Okay, you'll find it's a 3-digit number. They usually do this on your first purchase. And once you're done, once you have confirmed yourself using the PIN and the CVV code, you'll actually get an e-receipt to confirm your payment. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.